Hello everyone, welcome to Gage Car Reviews, and today I'm reviewing this 2009 Toyota Land Cruiser. Starting off the hood, you also got this nice silver hood there. You also got the Toyota logo right there on the grille, headlights, and the front bumper with fog lights. Here's the side. Got a scrape right there. And the back, got the Toyota. Another scratch right there. Land Cruiser has a V8 engine right there, and the side again. This Land Cruiser has a classic silver metallic, has 5.7 liter V8 engine, has a 6-speed automatic. Now let's take a look at the inside. This vehicle is manufactured on November of 2008. Here we are on the inside. Here's the Toyota steering wheel. In the middle, you also got the Toyota logo right there. On the left, you also got the radio volume controls and radio controls on the left. And on the right, you also got the phone and voice recognition. You also got the cruise controls on the bottom right. Here's the radio up there, AM/FM radio with Sirius XM radio with navigation system on there with the radio controls and climate controls. Automatic transmission, auxiliary feature up there, charging ports up there, and the small storage up there. You also got the drive controls up there, heated seat controls, has some cup holders up there, armrests up there with some storage up there. And what's really nice, it also has a remote right there, so which I can actually show you later in this video. Speedometer, fuel temperature. Here's the front seat and the back seat and the third row. Sunroof view. You also got the lights up there, sunglasses storage up there, mirror up there. On the right, you also got the windshield wipers for the front and the back. And on the left, you also got the headlights and turn signals, as well as mirror controls, window locks, and door locks. There's Gage's lights up there, odometer trip feature up there. On the left, you also got the mirror, window locks and door locks, seat controls up there. And all right, let's take a look at the back seats of the Toyota Land Cruiser. All right, so now here's the cool part. So here's the back seat. Got this nice leather seating up there. You also got the fold out middle seat. I'm not sure if it's a fold out or not, but I think it is, but it's not letting me, so let's just move that on. You also got the third row right there, but you also got the back seat climate controls up there. Has the video feature up there, which I'm going to show you right now. This is actually one of the DVD players right there, so hold on just a moment. Okay, so basically I can't get that. So this is actually plays DVDs up there, movies. This is the remote up there. This can actually control the screen up there, control the movies features up there. Has the DVD video source up there. Can switch up anything. This also has like navigation system up there. Very cool right there. I'm guessing this has like 3 volts up there. This made in Japan. So let's take a look at you also got the storage up there. So now let's take a look at the third row of the seating up there. Got this nice third row seating up there. All it needs is to fold down the second row middle seat right there, and then back seat right there, and you can actually get access to it. This is perfect for road trips and adventures along the way. So you can actually see the driver and the passenger of the Land Cruiser up there. So this is a very cool vehicle. I really like it. So all right, so that wraps up for this review. So I guess that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.